All right, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be doing a classic that's been around for a very long time. Everyone's heard of it, all right? It's the New York Sour, okay? So let's just get into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna need is 60 mil or 2 ounces of bourbon. Then we're gonna need 30 mil of lemon. We're gonna need 15 mil of simple syrup and then some egg white. We're gonna give that a good dry shake, put some ice in, we'll give it a wet shake, and then we're gonna pour that into a coupe. We're gonna wait for the egg white foam to settle fully, and then we're gonna try and layer on some red wine. And then, guys, that is it. Okay, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. It's just a whiskey sour with red wine on top. It goes back to like the late 1800s, probably like 1870s, 1880s era. So the red wine float that you put on top was a Claret. So when you go to the bar, you'd be like, hey, can I get a Claret? And then they would give you one of these. Okay, it's a good cocktail. This one, layering it on is a little bit tough. You do have to wait for the egg white to settle fully before you do try and layer it on. Otherwise, it'll just completely mix in throughout the entire drink, okay? You will see this in multiple ways. Some of you might actually be thinking, why is this in a coupe and not in a rocks glass? Or, right? It can be served up and it can be served on the rocks. It really does depend on who is drinking it, okay? I prefer all my drinks to be up. Like, I don't really enjoy ice in my drinks, so I will tend to always do this. Ooh, it's fucking good though. I'm not much of a whiskey sour kind of a person. In fact, I'm not much of a sour person at all. They're good, they have their times, but a New York sour is like, just because it has that wine in it, it's just freaking, oh, it's good. There's a little bit of controversy with the New York sour with whether we put egg white in it or not, okay? Some people say you don't, some people say you do. Realistically though, and I'm a big fan of this, okay? In David Wondrich's Imbibe, this is like, you know, the bartender's Bible kind of a thing. If you look in there, he even says it is optional, okay? So you can do it or you don't have to do it. It's entirely up to you and how you want to drink your cocktail, okay? The way it should be with every cocktail you drink. It is the holidays, guys, so we can make this into a holiday version as well. All you have to do is swap out the red wine with a mulled wine, okay? You'll get in nice spices like cinnamon, clove, anise, that kind of stuff, right? It'll be just sitting there on top, and then when you drink the whiskey through it, it's fucking delicious, okay? When I do that, I do tend to use a rye instead of a bourbon, but that's just for my own tastes, right? I like rye, I prefer rye, so that's what I would do. But that's all that I have for you today, guys. So happy holidays. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. If you do like these videos, please do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will be putting out more and more every single week, so hopefully I see you back next week, all right? Cheers.